Muthenya umwe thutha wa ithurano nini gutabania icigo-ini itiganite bururi-ini, gikundi kia urori wa ithurano kia ILOG ni kirutite woni wakio iguru rigi githurano giki gigitariria mamwe ma mahitia maria marahanikire na mabataire kugerekwo wega tukierekera githurano kinene. Kurigana na ILOG, ciiko cia ngahiha na njukaniriro makiria muthi wa githurano ni undu rahanikire na gikiro kinene makiria ngahiha cia kuhanikira nja ya ceceni cia wikia wa kura.
We witness a lot of violence, a lot of running battles between goons, between different groups of supporters, and that created a very non-conducive environment for a credible election. So while inside the polling stations everything was going on, outside it everything was a mayhem, and there were a number of places, Malava, Kasipul, Kabondo.
Kurigana na Mule Musau kuma gikundi giki, ciiko cia ngahiha ni gitumi kimwe kiracungiririe namba nini tu ya iki ya kura kwiyumiria gucuka miti. Kuona ingini marekirirwo guoya ni uhotekeku wa kumera kwa ngahiha ici.
Even during the campaigns, you could already have seen the signs that these areas are going to be very competitive, and we are going to witness a lot of problems. So that showcased itself yesterday. I think there are scores of people who were injured during those particular processes. It could have affected, in our view, we think that affected even the number of the turnout numbers. Oho gikundi giki ni kirutite mahitia ciama cia kiuteti kumana na wagi wa mawatho ma kuherithia memba ao aria magarara watho kana gucungiriria kunwo kwa mitaratara iria yagiriire ya githurano. We need to see political parties which are also very strong, which are saying we cannot condone this kind of behavior from a member. So they need to take action against their own supporters, against their own leaders, if they were involved in illegal activities during the election. So in summary, that's what we are saying for now. We are also saying that we will give a much more comprehensive report once the election is all finished, and that we shall also be able to give a full report on the same.
Mwene-ini wake gavana wa Kakamega George Natembea ruranyitaga mbaru Seth Panyako uria urahotirwo githurano-ini kia Malava niacakaite akiuga muthenya wa ira ni muthi urahuthikire ni thirikari kwagarara watho etekurio kiuria. Riu Natembea akiuga ngahiha iria ciothe iraumirire irakinyanirio ni thirikari ikigitira huraniri ayo aiturwo iria irathukanagirio.
Allow us to use this opportunity to speak to the electoral process, which was fraught with serious malpractices that included shootings, killings, widespread violence, roaming armed goons escorted by police, and voter bribery. We condemn in the strongest terms possible these cowardly, undemocratic, and criminal activities that were perpetrated by people very well known to the authorities.
Kumana na uguo riu Natembea uria uma na atongoria angi kuma kaunti ya Kakamega niugite mwena wa mung'ethaniro ni uramatha woira uria ungimahotithia guthii igoti-ini kumatha nja ya mutaratara uyu.
We also want to consult with the candidate with a view of pursuing this matter in court, because what happened in Malaba was not an election. It was a criminal activity. Yeah, right from campaigning where goons were deployed. Some of us, our security was removed. I'm sure you also witnessed voters being bribed while they were queuing.
Hadunia kama TV letu lako ni Bataru wa Mwagi.